Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
I want to buy my designer them in my
Alright, my father. See that?
this. This is for 690 pounds. Buy it and it's too small for her to sell me back. As simple as you see there. My daughter Nastasia, God bless Nastasia, sweet little girl. Nastasia make life so easy for me. Should even like know. She turned slave for me and she don't know. Rochelle dead and gone and she take over all of the mother road and make sure everything runs smooth. And I just relax and muggle at and cuss out to no dirty blood clot. You hear that? Because I set my kids them. So you see now them come big, them take over when we used to do and I just relax and live life and love my husband. Go ahead. So you see this? My daughter buy it for 690 pounds and it's too small for her. She give me. I swear I did fear, I remember. But I just telling her. When I chat, me and a class, me trouble. Me want 5,000 pounds for go Louis Vuitton, go buy one belt, one shoes, one handbag, one perfume too. You understand all one Louis Vuitton scarf. Louis Vuitton go on sale. Louis Vuitton is the only designer shop. Every one of them Christmas, them have Black Friday sale, them have half price after Christmas and so. Louis Vuitton they get dearer. So no chat to me. Me have a little Louis Vuitton pieces and them can't steal. That's why I had so. Me not run down fake and new something, all these something. Me hot girl, me full of designer shoes. Me no wear cheap shoes. Me no think I joke. Me no wear cheap shoes. All of my shoes them what you see. Gucci, Prada, Louis Vuitton, Christian Dior, Alexandra McQueen, D&G, beer designer shoes me have. Beer designer bag. Sometimes I don't even remember them. I'm tired of them. So me don't care about them something. Me not care. Me have been there done blood clot that. Miss hot girl, me not telling all the while. Me can't do sale, vintage sale. Me have one bag for 5 grand, 10 grand, 3 grand. Me. What ugly? Me not look proud now. The ugly shoes them sweet. All the ugly bag them from them a designer. You put them up on eBay, you sell some jewelry, look on them here. Who no can't buy them here, you know? Not even Gucci can't buy back them here. Because them take out them for Christmas decoration. Limited edition. And all of me and my friend them go them buy one set for Nisha there at Jamaica. Around 10 away alone have them. Be a hot girl have them. No, don't get none of bay. Yeah. I may have all one with the Gucci shoes, the big boots and the big asses and the big boots. Some wicked designer necklace me have. One big Chanel one when I'm a chest so. And the big Versace Medusa. Move on the blood clot, I can't break on, can't chat to me. And then I say I be old but me in every day I'm at say way. I wear them in a yard do ads, I do music video of them, I go a party of them, I perform in them, it's my clothes them. None of blood clots when I act like me. If you don't have money for go shop for go to all tonight I'll squiddly blue and white, on a flap. May I repeat my clothes, my hat, go on a materialistic na blood clot. No can conquer me, no can't test me, no can't buy me out. I'm my own dads, my own general, my own major. You hear that? Move on the blood. It's my pin of them. All of them can't stand me. Them have to love me and protect me and pray for me. I make me live life because I take care of them. I'm show them love. As soon as my bad them up and hug them up the night, nah, and I'm going to my bed, I'm in a big back friend. And go and leave me alone, my heart. I'm going to soon get Grammy. Yeah, my cantankerous. Because the whole of blood clot, you know, I suck out my blood. I'm have to come with the holy water, one queen in our deck, and trample and rebuke. And I can't stay silent and then I got turn to tell them I'm depressed. I don't want to be depressed anymore. No, I don't want to go. And that can't repeat. I cuss out to the nasty blood clot and chat me. I'm fed it up back to. Yeah, but read that for fact though. Oh, I can't eat now. May I talk to them? I'm a friend of mine. Huh? Yeah, eat the top. How about that? Curry chicken. I don't want none. I don't want my belly get big. Fuck that. Alright. Yes. So when I send me £1.80p, don't start for me. You hear that? It's Louis I wear something with Mr. Man. Louis Vuitton no one for my birthday. 5 grand for God Louis up. Nobody in a bomber clad tell me what me for one for my birthday. So they ask me nothing. Don't mean to say if I don't want to send me rose and flowers, I won't accept it, but it's the one them where I take the piss, fuck off. Cause God will make me go get tomorrow, you know. God will make me wake up tomorrow and get 5 grand in there. You don't know who me? I don't think I joke. You fuck if tomorrow no hear me say, Jesus Christ, God, we just get 5 grand. One time I come from prison, you see, I'm a send for 4 grand at Jamaica. Come out and broken. I say, email got Gucci go shopping. Buy the long Gucci boots, I buy 3 goods, 9 bills to one in a trend. I'm shopping your fuck. With a big brown Gucci bag on my shoulder and around 3-4 of them, you know. And stop a gap for one little jeans now, you know. I'm a security boy in the name. I went the name Nev. I went Nev there. Nev, you know, he was a little bumble wall. I went Nev him there for my life. You're supposed to sit down and now I say, look how Queenie turn superstar. You fuck out, no, when I did not that show, you know. And sometimes I do people some things and people just run up in a life and show them something. Nev, where are you? And I say, I want Jamaican security now. The man angry me like, dog, with more which is probably sure like that you know, say. The man run me out a gap, you know. Run out me, I'm a friend, shame. And I say, but can't have so much riches. Hey, I love Queenie, you know. I just said to my friend, say, wait, Queenie. I just said to my friend, say, you're not sure. You're the man I go out with me. Just said to my friend, say, I can't have so much money on my shoulder. I made that money I done before a rascal 40-pound jeans. I say, class this love Queenie. So we can use it for history. If never not depend this him family depend time, I know him tell him. I rinse him dirty blood clot, you see. I send message come tell me about, oh, I know you know. I'm drive past there and this a go man. Me as good as Samson and Tiffin good them go give your family them at Jamaica, you come anger people. Where you there now? Gap lockdown. Where are you now? Watching me the fucking superstar. When I did not dash one, go and leave me. I may have a good shoplifting liquor store them. You know why security them what them for do? Them for employ me now for catch a shoplifter them. You understand? I will say a lie. Shut up, man. Boy lie. But you can't tell me say a lie, because next week you not talk about the same thing. Boy, when people tell lie, them don't remember them story. Go out to my story, them sweet, and you don't have no sweet story. Ha ha. Do you come and mess with, please? Do why are you doing with that though? It done for true? Not from for that Friday. Where we going? Where I play Stucky right now? Where I going? Where Wally for something tonight? I fuck that Friday. We just fuck it up. But between me and the royal crazy, me and a reason now, yeah? With a woman like me, yeah, we have so much experience in our life. One thing really fears me. Nothing. When I notice how I take the internet when I'm like a mad blood clot woman when I have clothes, I'm still firm and stand up fucking in on the face with confident. Clothes on me. Earring no make no difference. It just still and it look good so you wear it. I'm my art, my energy, my power, my strength, my love, my care, my attention and my going on. But I'm supposed to pay me right now. Still get back to back up. I'm a fucking stupid idiot though. Fucking idiot. Hours on top of hours. I wanna send my blood clot pound and then I sit down and class. But go here with a dirty pound and that's sorry for me. You understand? No, I can't cook. Kind of fucking argument. But look, you know, yes, I'm all purpose. You hear that? You can't see in a city to ask me shit. It better you say I can't cook good. Everybody can cook. Words. Everybody can cook. Whether you can all me where 50 minutes can cook. The YouTube live when me got ignorant, me no remember nothing about YouTube and I can't go for YouTube because I have no baby. So I not gonna make them money. I can't be myself for YouTube. Them are gonna beat me out. I may have to go edit At the raw deal and I get you, so. You understand? Stay there and I better appreciate it because when I go on Main Street and I think me sit down so we don't know. Fuck that place, like I say, oh God, I wonder where we're at. But it's true, talk true to God, love. The thing I got to our next levels. So when I sit down I expect when I go see me at some little place when I see me and trying to use to me and want to style me. I go style in the back naturally without knowing because I cannot help it.